Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 1997 Harley-Davidson RoadKing with 31,781 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around this cruiser and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This older cruiser is in great condition and is absolutely loaded. As you can see, windshield, air dams, front wheel brake covers, fender protectors. There's a shot of the air dams. It's also got highway bars with highway pegs, aftermarket brake pedal, driver and passenger footboards, aftermarket air cleaner, aftermarket grips, along with the windshield and a windshield bag. As you can see, it's got an aftermarket seat on it. It's got all the racks and bag protectors, passenger backrest and luggage rack combination, aftermarket pipes. And you can see all the grid work around the bags. And again, here's the aftermarket footboards and then a heel toe shifter with the highway pegs and highway bars, along with the aftermarket grips again. Another shot of the windshield and bag. There's a shot of the mileage. 31,781 is what's on this bike. This Harley has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection, and I don't think this cruiser will last long, so stop in today and take a look at it, and thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.